The mystery behind brow mask explained. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to demystify the phrase brow mask. If you've ever stumbled upon this term and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's delve into it. Firstly, let's look at the individual words. Brow. This is another term for the forehead, but more specifically, it often refers to the area just above the eyes where eyebrows are located. Mask, a covering for all or part of the face. Putting them together, brow mask generally refers to a product or covering specifically designed for the brow area of the face. So, why would someone use a brow mask? Brow masks are typically beauty or skincare products. They serve a variety of purposes. 1. Nourishment. Just like facial masks, brow masks can be formulated to provide vitamins and nutrients to the brow hairs and skin. 2. Grooming. Some brow masks help tame unruly brows, giving them a neater appearance. 3. Coloring. There are tinted brow masks that can provide color to the brows, making them look fuller or matching them better to one's hair color. Understanding a phrase is great, but knowing how to use it is even better. Here are some examples. 1. I use a brow mask every night to keep my eyebrows nourished. 2. Have you tried that new brow mask? It's supposed to help with brow growth. 3. My eyebrows were looking a bit pale, so I applied a tinted brow mask to darken them. And there you have it. Now, not only do you know what a brow mask is, but you also understand its purpose and how to use the phrase in everyday conversation. Remember, language is ever evolving, and it's these little phrases that can make a big difference in understanding. Hope you found this video enlightening, and happy learning!